Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review for you guys. This is going to be a video sponsored by Nadula hair company off of Amazon. Now this is their highlight silk based fake scalp human hair wig. This is Brazilian hair and it's highlighted with chocolate and like brown highlight, chocolate and blonde highlights. This is 150 density and 14 inches long. This is going to be my first time wearing like color, like for real color like this. I am really like the type that just sticks to black, but I am excited to try out you know, some different colors and, you know, just try different things. So we're gonna jump into a clip of just close-ups of how this unit looks, and yeah. Okay, so this is the unit here. It's very pretty. It's very soft. Another reason why I don't really mess with color units is because they tend to be dry. Surprisingly, this is not dry. This is very soft, and the color on here is very nice. Like this is, it looks like somebody like you literally took your unit somewhere and got it dyed like the right way. It's not botched and it's not messy. It's not too bright. It's not too dull. Like the colors are so nice, vibrant, and even just all the way around and all the way down. I'm really excited to try this out. And this is the under part. Now you do have 3 combs and an adjustable strap. This is just a lace front. I believe this is a 4x4. Yeah, I'm quite sure this is a 4x4. Yeah, so I'm going to put this on. I'm gonna cut the lace and we're gonna straighten it out and see what we're working with. I'm gonna wrap my hair up real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna put on my wig grip. A company sent me this. I can't remember which company did, but it's not nothing like special. You can find these with the lace in the middle. So I'm gonna wear the wig grip because I'm not gonna glue this down. Here we slap this on. I'm gonna adjust the strap all the way to the tightest. I had to put a stocking cap on just because my hair is down. If I had braids and I want to put this stocking cap on because that's supposed to be the convenience of the fake scalp, or that's supposed to be the point of this, to replace your stocking cap. So I had to put one on because as y'all saw, I had my hair down. So Okay, so I have it on, and yeah, I didn't tack it down or anything, just like I said, but my wig grip, you know, got it nice and snug. It's not really moving. I'm getting a feel for it. That's my son in the back. Sorry, y'all. I'm a mom first. But I'm still getting a feel for the color on me. I kind of want to cut this. I think when it comes to color, I'll prefer it to be short versus long on me, I feel. So I'm kind of debating on just literally just cutting it, just a blunt cut all the way around. I think I want to cut it. When I flat ironed it, it was shedding. Not a lot, but enough for me to mention. I'll put it that way. It was enough for me to mention. I like the color. I don't think I like it on me. And then it could be too, I'm just so used to black. I really think I want to cut it. I think I would like it better if it was short. This is 14 inches. So 14 inches is right above the chest. I'm gonna show you what 14 inches look like standing up. I'm gonna zoom in and show you a close-up of the actual scalp part. Make sure this thing is nice and straight. Okay, y'all, so I did have to go back and put in my, what is that called, the comb in the back. So it did like flatten it out way more. So yeah, those combs are good to use if you can't use them. I'm gonna cut this because this is just not doing nothing for me. So I'm going to cut it. Okay, everybody, so as you can see, I went back and cut it even more. So yeah, but I kind of like it like this. I'm gonna still tweak it just a little bit, but you get the gist of the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This is kind of me just playing around with some hair, some different color, you know. But overall, for the price and the quality, I feel like the two match. This is a very affordable unit. The plus side is it's super beginner friendly because you don't have to do any coloring to it. You don't have to do major pluck into it. And if you're not like a pro with, you know, getting that parting, that coloring and all that kind of stuff together, because it's already comes pre-made, all the hard work for the most part is really done. This is a unit I would recommend. And then it's not breaking the bank whatsoever. The color is very pretty. The hair is super soft. The parting is, you know, already highlighted for you. So it'll be your preference if you would want to go in and pluck anymore. Yeah, I didn't pluck the hairline. But yeah, for the most part, all I did was just clip the lace and put it on, you know. So super beginner friendly, and that was my intent with this video, just to make it simple and easy. cutting it is definitely your preference. I just cut it because I feel like, for me, short colored hair looks better for me, or I can kind of take it a little better. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with my unit a little more, and you can go snatch you up one too. I want to thank Nadula for sponsoring this video. I want to thank y'all again for watching, and I hope this helped with your purchasing or while you're shopping around for some hair. So I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.